Hello everyone, my name is Anwar. Glad to see you on my Bioculture channel and welcome to my ICT biology course. If you haven't subscribed yet, then be sure to be subscribed now, press like and share this channel with your friends and colleagues. Today we'll finish the study of proteins. So let's get started. In general, for this exam you should understand what does the process of denaturation and renaturation mean by itself. For this reason, try to understand this aspect of proteins. The first is the denaturation. This is a process in which our protein loses its native form. In other words, it undergoes the loss of its active form and becomes not functional. For example, protein A has tertiary form. Accordingly, if this protein loses it, for example turning into a secondary or primary form, this means that this protein A is denatured. The second is the renaturation. In short, this is a process wherein a denaturated protein is assembled back into its active form. I think everything is clear here. And finally, how is protein thought, or in other words, renaturation occurs? It occurs with the help of protein molecules called chaperonins. The idea itself and its structure are extremely clear. You just need to look at this diagram. Okay, on this our 8th session ended. If you have any questions, be sure to leave comments under this video and I'll answer you. I hope it was the most useful for you, and if you haven't watched my previous videos, be sure to check them out. I will be waiting for you in the next lesson. Всем большой рахмет!